So let's start. So our speaking practice has 3 parts. Okay, so what is your name?
My name is Luhan.
Okay, and how can I call you?
You can call me Han.
Are you ready for the speaking
Yes, I'm ready.
test? Okay. Yeah, so do you like cooking?
Yes, I like.
And how often do you eat out?
I'm not usually eat out. Almost the time I cook the lunch and the dinner or breakfast.
Okay. And which do you prefer? Sweet foods or spicy foods?
I prefer sweet foods.
Okay. And what is your favorite meal of the day?
My favorite meal
Is it breakfast,
is
lunch, or
dinner.
dinner? Why dinner?
In the dinner, I will cook for myself and for my family. In that time, I will have free time.
Okay. That's good. Okay, now let's proceed to our part 2. Yeah, so I will give you 1 minute to prepare. So we are going to talk about the best foods here in Vietnam. So with that copy, you can take down notes. And then after 1 minute, you have 2 minutes to speak about the best food here in Vietnam. Okay, your 2 minutes starts now. 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 2 minutes starts now.
My favorite food in my country is cơm chiên trứng. It's very easy to make, and they eat cơm chiên in the lunch and the dinner. It's made from 4 simultaneous rice and egg, beans and carrot with some corn. First, we just put the rice in the oil and then put egg, and after that is into carrot. We just mix together until the rice is become yellow, and carrot and bean is put it, and then they will put it in out. So they cook it.
Okay, so next question. So why do you think that is the best food in Vietnam?
It's easy to make it. It's simple and quite really fun.
Okay. Is it healthy or unhealthy?
If it's not too much oil, it's really healthy.
Okay. And is it easy to cook at home?
Yes.
Okay. And where can people find the best food in this country?
They go to the shop and go to the market. Yeah.
Okay, so that's great. And that's the end of our speaking practice, part 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so congratulations. And thank you.
Thank you so much.